And Casey De La Rosa gets us going. The first 2 points for Team Philippines. When your vision is being blurred sa dami ng tao nasa harap mo. As Casey De La Rosa. Dignadice couldn't get the friendly roll. Casey De La Rosa avenges her. 50% from that three-point line. Casey De La Rosa has found her rhythm. Pontejos going to De La Rosa. Casey! Automatic from that range.
Comes down to composure. So even though you turn over the ball, you have to have that next play mentality.
Casey De La Rosa coming out swinging here. We will know who will be the queens of Southeast Asian 5x5 basketball. Casey De La Rosa. The drive, turnaround. The big block by Casey.